Today, we're diving into something huge, a major redesign leak for the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro, and trust me, it's turning a lot of heads. If you thought Apple was done surprising us, think again. So, according to multiple sources and a detailed render shared by 3D designer at Kineticane on X, the iPhone 17 Pro might be saying goodbye to its signature camera bump in the top left corner, and replacing it with a completely new full-width camera panel that stretches across the back of the device. Yes, you heard that right. This panel design is very reminiscent of Google's Pixel 9 Pro camera bar, which also runs across the phone's width. It's a bold shift for Apple, and it's already sparking tons of discussion in the tech community. Let's talk about the design details. The leaked render shows the back of the phone in a sleek dark gray finish, and unlike previous leaks, the camera panel blends seamlessly with the rest of the body. There's no color contrast, which makes the whole look more refined and uniform. It's a minimal design, very Apple, but with a twist. The panel itself rises smoothly from the body, and it houses 3 camera lenses, just like previous Pro models, but the positioning is different. Instead of being clustered in the corner, the lenses now sit in a row across the top, and alongside them are the flash, microphone, and LiDAR sensor, all neatly aligned on the right side of the panel. It's clean. It's futuristic. And it might even be more functional. Now, here's something you'll love if you often use your iPhone while it's lying flat on a table. This full-width design could eliminate that annoying rocking motion we get from the offset camera bump in current models. With the weight more evenly distributed, it may offer a better experience when placed on flat surfaces. But hold on, the lenses still protrude from the panel, so unless you're using a case, you might still get some slight wobble. Still, this design seems more stable overall. Now, not everyone is a fan. The reactions are mixed. Some users are calling it Apple's boldest move in years, while others say it's copying Android aesthetics, especially Google's Pixel series. But let's be real, Apple has a history of making small visual changes that have massive impact over time. Remember how people hated the notch and then it became iconic? Also, this redesign opens the door to camera hardware improvements. A wider panel means more space for sensors, better thermal management, and maybe even some surprises in Apple's upcoming A-series chip and camera AI upgrades. With rumors suggesting a stronger focus on AR and computational photography, this layout could support that future. And of course, all of this is building hype for the iPhone 17 lineup, which is expected to launch around September 2025. It's still early, but if Apple sticks to its pattern, we're only a few months away from official teasers and prototype leaks.